Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's video, I'll show you some of the best hidden Roku channel codes you can use in 2026, and I'll also explain exactly how to add private or hidden channels to your Roku device step by step. These hidden channels can give you access to classic movies, live TV, anime, screensavers, and much more. So let's jump right into it. Disclaimer: some hidden Roku channels may become unavailable over time. Always stream content legally and responsibly. Step 1. Open Roku website. First, open your browser on your phone or computer. 1. Visit the Roku account website. 2. Sign in with your Roku account. Step 2. Add channel code. 1. Go to Manage Account. 2. Select Add Channel with a code. 3. Enter the channel code. 4. Click Add Channel. Step 3. Update your Roku. 1. Go to Roku home screen. 2. Open *settings *3. Select *system *4. Click *system update. 5. Press *check now. Best hidden Roku channel codes, 2026. 1. Neon Party Games. Channel code H2CLHP. This channel includes fun party-style games you can play with friends and family. 2. Roku Cast. CL9D5D. With Roku Cast, you can stream videos from your phone or browser directly to Roku. Conclusion: and that's it. Now you know how to install hidden Roku channels and use private channel codes in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Roku tips and streaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.